Hello guys, hot, humid, sunny day here in Ontario, Canada, but I'm going to show you my garden even though it's really humid. So let's start now. The update of our organic garden, the tomatoes are doing well. Some of them are already yellowish and it's ready to harvest in another day or two. The beefsteak tomato, look at that huge one guys. I can see the other huge one at the back. So the tomato is doing good. And I'm so amazed, guys, to the broccolini. Broccolini. Look, I'm gonna harvest some broccolini soon. There's a big one there. After I trim it, there's a lot of little broccolini now. Look at that, guys. And our corn is done. We harvest all the corn already so far. The carrots, not yet ready. The eggplant, I will harvest one eggplant pretty soon. This one is getting big. That one over there. The potatoes is gonna be ready soon, guys, because it's getting brown and like leaning down the ground. So that's ready. The peppers, oh my god, I'm waiting for the peppers because there's red and green and yellow peppers. So but it's still not showing the color. So we'll wait. But because it's so drought this year, there's not much rain. So most of our vegetable are really dry, really dry. I feel for them. And then we harvest most of our lettuces, the remain. This is just the leftover, the baby bok choy. There. Here's the big eggplant. Here. Good thing is all of my English cucumbers doing really well. English cucumber over there. And then the hot banana peppers. There's still a lot. We'll harvest it in a few days. And so far, that's it, the update. And I will update again you guys once we harvest this. So stay hydrated guys. In Ontario and other parts of the world, I think it's hot. It's really hot, like I'm sweating on my neck. Anyway, have a great day and happy Monday. Happy hot Monday. I'll see you again on my next video, okay? Bye for now.